Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy stitch, and it's called the half double crochet slip stitch, so stay tuned. So for this tutorial I'm going to use this rewind yarn by Lion brand, but you can use any yarn that you have on hand, and I'm going to use an H hook. Now I'm going to start with my slip knot, and for this sample I'm going to be chaining 12, but you can chain as many chains as you want for this stitch. You don't need a specific amount of chains. So here I have my 12 chains, and I'm going to make the half double crochet slip stitch on my second chain from hook. So normally you would go, this is how you would do a half double crochet. That's a normal half double crochet. So we're going to do a half double crochet slip stitch. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, pull up that loop, and then you're going to pull that loop into the next two loops remaining. Okay, and that's how it should look. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up that loop, 3 loops on your hook, and then pull that one loop and then the last 2 loops. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull that loop through those 2 loops. And that's how you make the half double crochet slip stitch. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. So yeah, it's just a little modification from your normal half double crochet. Okay, so here I'm doing it again. So you can see I'm pulling that one loop Alright, so for my sample I did 12 chains, so I should have 11 half double crochet slip stitches at the end of this round. So I'm going to finish that up, and I will check back with you when you finish that row. Alright, so to continue, we're just going to chain 1 and turn, and we are going to make a half double crochet slip stitch into that first stitch. Pretty simple. Basically you repeat the same thing all the way across. Okay, so just continue doing that, and if you want to practice, now I'm going to show you how you can make ribbing with this stitch, doing it in the back loop only. So here I'm doing it in the normal way, just your normal stitches right here. And now I'm going to do it on the back loop only, which is this stitch right here. This back loop here, you just do the same stitch but only in that back loop. And that's going to make your stitch stand out, and that's going to create a ribbing. As you can see here, it's starting to form right there. You can see it starting to form, and that's what happens when you work this stitch in the back loop only, like I'm doing right now. So yeah guys, here's the swatch that I did working this stitch, and I did a total of 10 rows, and I thought they would be perfect for like face scrubbies, if you want to follow that pattern, but you can make whatever you want with this stitch. Just practice. And here is a sample of the back loop only ribbing that I did, and you can see it looks really pretty. This one was made with the worsted weight yarn, so I think this stitch is perfect for hat ribbing, anything that requires ribbing. It looks really pretty and it's stretchy too, but I also like the other normal way to do it, so it's up to you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.